Did you take it back? What's your plan for it? No, I'm not going to call them today. I'm not going to even call them tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be too soon. They're not going to know. But will I call them on Friday? Yeah, I'll call them on Friday. And then I will basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week around my phone calls, I will be dialing for dollars. Now, I can knock out about 50 phone calls in a day, if not more. But that's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, I can do that. Now, that's just for Central Texas. I pull the East Texas for Houston or the North one for Dallas. We're really cooking with Crisco then. 540 is probably going to narrow down to probably about, 450 people or entities that I can call. But guess what? I already have private investors in here. I've got land deals. There's multifamily deals. Some of these, am I not going to be able to tackle it all? Yes. Okay. Yes. But some of these entities that are financing this stuff are pretty easy to get a hold of. Okay. They're big. They have websites. I've talked to some big asset managers at big banks when I probably had no business calling them on a $200 million loan. All right. I am not going to write a check for that, but I can still inquire to find out what the heck they're doing. Okay. That's the beauty of this. And if you really want to dive into it, guess what? Pick up the phone, start calling. Pick up the phone, start calling. If I was a realtor, that's what I would be chasing. I'd be, hey, I see you